So the homie texted me and told me she had the pandas in stock. So you know I had to do my research. Hopped on StockX, see they were selling for like $300. Bay to check my comps. You feel me? Type in that Nike Dunk Black Low Panda 5.5. Check them completed sales. Go ahead and scroll down. Click on that completed items, sold items. See they're selling for like, I would say about an average of 200 resale. That's a full flip, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that. I'm gonna take my chances. So I'll go ahead and go downtown to my local Nordstroms to go meet my plug. It's a pretty nice little stroll downtown today. Should go get some cologne. I need some cologne, some of that Creed. That shit costs hella though. Anyway, let me go ahead and walk upstairs to go get my little order pickup. Always do order pickup if you don't feel like being in the store for hours and spending unnecessary money. So check to see. Got my Dunks 5.5. I can't fit them, so it's a perfect flip. I'm not gonna be tempted to wear them. As you can see, I paid $110.25. Listed them on Facebook. Had my homegirls hit me up. What's their size 6? How much are they? People on OfferUp. As you can see, always playing games. I want to buy them. What's the offer? All this other bull stuff. And I finally got an offer on $200 on eBay. Still wasn't enough with taxes. And then I finally cashed out $233. How did I do? Now it's time to turn this 2 into 4. Follow for more.
At Smart Money.